Apple Intelligence is one of the biggest upgrades on the iPhone 17, bringing AI-powered features like smarter notifications, enhanced Siri requests, better writing tools, and personalized assistance across apps. But before you can use it, your device needs to be properly set up. Here's how to enable it step by step. Before you begin, make sure your iPhone 17 is updated to the latest iOS version and has at least 7 GB of free storage. Apple Intelligence requires this space so it can download the necessary on-device AI models. Once everything is ready, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. Turn on the switch for Apple Intelligence. After that, read the brief overview and then tap Set up Apple Intelligence. Next, tap Summarize Notifications and choose how you want your iPhone to summarize incoming alerts. You can select which apps are summarized or tap Summarize All Notifications to apply it system-wide. If prompted, you may also enable priority notifications, which ensures important alerts always get through. For camera control, review the available options and select the behavior that matches how you want to use your camera shortcuts. Then tap Continue. You'll then see an overview explaining the upgraded Siri experience with Apple Intelligence. Tap Continue to set up Siri now or set up later if you want to finish the process another time. Follow the remaining on-screen steps. Your iPhone will begin downloading the required AI models, so keep it connected to Wi-Fi and power until the setup is complete. Once everything is installed, you'll see new options under Siri requests that weren't available before. Here's how you can customize them one by one. Tap Language to choose your preferred Siri language. Tap Talk to Siri to set your preferred activation methods and choose the phrase you want to use. Tap Voice to select your preferred voice style and variation. Tap Siri Responses to choose how often Siri speaks aloud. The default is automatic, but you can switch to other options. You can also enable Always Show Siri Captions and Always Show Request if you want on-screen text for every Siri interaction. Other Siri options you can configure under Siri requests include Call Hang-Up, Announce Calls, Messaging with Siri, Siri and Dictation, and more. You can set these up immediately or come back anytime to make adjustments as you use Apple Intelligence more. And that's it. You've now successfully turned on and set up Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 17. From here, you can start exploring everything the upgraded Siri and intelligent features have to offer. If this video helped you activate and customize Apple Intelligence, give it a like and check out our other tutorials to master more iPhone 17 features. Thanks for watching.